Welcome to Fast and Seamless Travel at Changi Airport. Fast is a suite of self-service options, and there are 4 steps: check-in, bag drop, immigration, and boarding. The automated check-in kiosk allows you to print your own bag tag and boarding pass. Make sure that you attach your bag tag to the side handle. Next, check in your luggage at the automated bag drop. If you belong to any of the following groups, you can use automated immigration. Simply scan your travel documents and fingerprint. Passengers who used automated immigration can use automated boarding. With one scan, you're ready to board your flight. Hope you enjoyed the 4 steps of fast and seamless travel. Have a safe and pleasant journey.